One of the ways we can use the myViewBoard whiteboard portal is with a tool called Throw. It essentially allows for your students to send an image up to myViewBoard without any kind of screen sharing. This can be really helpful, like if they're working on a document and you're like, hey, take a screenshot of that and send it up. Or in this example, we're gonna do a little field trip, virtual field trip, to find images of parallel lines. Sometimes I like to call these scavenger hunts. So I'm gonna have Haley go, and she's just gonna save an image from Google image search, right, of real world parallel lines. And then she's gonna use the whiteboard portal to browse for the file and upload it. So now that Haley's submitted her response, I can go down to my notification area here. If I click on it, I'll see my notifications and I can see that Haley's thrown an image. If I were to click on this, it would open the throw tool automatically, but let's learn how to get to it through the magic box, which is located right here. The throw tool will be here on the home screen if I scroll down to the very bottom, or if I switch to all features, you'll see throw there as well. This is the throw window, and you'll see that Haley has sent that image. Now, if I want to add Haley's image, I can simply double tap and it will download that image to the screen. Or if I click the checkbox, if there were multiple images, you could select or unselect multiple, and then you'll see the insert to canvas button. Now I have this example here and I can move it around and manipulate it. I can have other kids submit their responses, and then we could have a sorting activity or something like that. Which of these do we think really are parallel lines? Which ones may not be parallel lines? So if you're looking for a cool way to show exemplars or maybe do some sort of scavenger hunt, the throw tool in myViewBoard is a great way to do it.